I'm more of a hands-on learner, and being outdoors was my thing. I've done 5 programs in 4 years of high school. I've learned a lot. I know forestry, you get a lot of in the seat time. Like, you're running the equipment. You ain't just watching other people do it. You're actually doing it. That's kind of what I love about firefighting and love about the CTE schools is it's like you're all family here, you know what I mean? I would recommend it to anybody. My mother, she was pregnant with me while she was on the fire department. My grandfather, he was on the fire department for quite a while. I guess it just kind of runs through the family. I'm Colton, 17, I'm from Peru, Maine. I'm in the CTE forestry program.